Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change a shape color in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is my PDF file. Now I will change this shape color. First select tools option. Now select comment option and click on this shape and select. Now click right button. You can open properties option and here you can change border color. See this, and also you can change fill color. There are other color, this one, and select OK. See this fill color. Now also you can change fill color opacity. I remove this fill color and select OK. See this. Also change this shape color. Also you can change the shape color here, and this is border color. See this, and select this gear icon. Also you can change border style. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.